Hi, Larky. Thank you for being willing to help me today with my Teach Someone project. We are going to learn a little bit today about multiplication. Tell me what you already know about multiplication.
What is multiplication?
It's where you have one number times another number. Sometimes you add two numbers, sometimes you subtract two numbers. Multiplication is when you say times.
I know what you mean.
What do you know about it?
Well, we did it in the car. Me and Sissy.
Okay, well, let's give it a shot and see what you know. Okay, Larky, I wanted to show you this website. It's called Cool Math for Kids. It has lots of fun games. The one we're going to look at right now is a quick lesson on how multiplying works. Now let's talk through this. It says, let's see what's really going on when we multiply two numbers. Read that to me right here.
2 times 3 equals.
And this means you have two groups of 3. Right here, we've made groups of 3 triangles. I have 1, 2, 3 triangles in one group and 1, 2, 3 triangles in another group. So when I have two groups of 3, how many triangles does that give me when I put them all together?
6.
You're exactly right. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's multiplication. That's multiplying two numbers. So our answer, 2 times 3 equals 6. Let's do another one. This one has the same numbers switched around. Read it for me.
3 times 2 equals.
This means you have 3 groups of 2. When you put those 3 groups together, how many squares do you have?
6.
6. 3 groups of 2. 2, 2, and 2.
So it's the same answer?
That's exactly right. It's the same answer we got with 2 times 3. But we put the 6 together a different way. Look at them both again to see the difference. Here we had 2 groups of 3. 2 times 3. Here we had 3 groups of 2. But we got the same answer. Let's go on.
That's amazing.
Here's another one. 3 times 5. That means you have...
15.
You're exactly right, but you're jumping ahead of me. We have 3 groups of...
5.
That's right. 3 times 5 means 3 groups of 5, which, as you already said, is 15. So how many... Well, we just answered that, 15. Let's switch those numbers around and do it a different way. 5 times 3 means how many groups?
5.
5 groups of
3.
5 groups of 3. And what do you think it's going to equal?
15.
15. You're correct. Very good. Let's go on. You ready to try some completely by yourself?
Okay.
All right, we'll give you some hints. First, let's take 2 times 4. What does that mean? How many groups of how many?
There's 2 groups of 4.
2 groups of 4. And what would 2 groups of 4 make altogether?
What will that make? 8?
You're correct. 2 groups of 4 makes 8. Excellent. Final answer, 8. Now, let's do it with those numbers switched. Okay, we're going to do circles here. 4 times 2 means how many groups?
4.
4 groups of?
2.
Good. 4 groups of 2, and when you put them together, what do we get?
8.
Excellent. I think you are ready to go try a few without the pictures. Let's try a little numbers game. Number Monster. Let's see. I think you could do numbers all the way up to 5. Let's try it. You're going to look right here for your question. I'm going to click 0 to 5, and here's your question. 4 times 2 equals, I'm going to let you type your answer in right here using these numbers. 4 times 2 is 8. And then I'll push the question mark and we'll see if you have it correct or incorrect. You got it.
I got it.
Try another one.
Okay, I'm ready.
1 group of 3. 1 times 3.
3.
Type it in.
I got it again.
Got it again. Like, hey, you did a great job learning about multiplication tables. Thank you for your help.
Thank you. It was so much fun.